So happy July 4th. We made ribs, and then I put like in a little aluminum foil deal. I put some cabbage and carrots, 2 C's. And then I was over here sitting here, minding my own business. And then I told Chuck, I was like, man, it seems like when I eat, like I used to before, like, diabetes. Before that, like I'd eat and like I couldn't get full, man. I'd get the choppers on and I'd just go to town, man. And then I told Chuck that, and then Chuck said
it took a skid loader to keep him fed.
Nobody's gonna eat out of a skid loader, man. Come on. That is just absolutely ridiculous.
It's a metaphor. It's like to give you an image of...
Yeah, it gave me an image, all right. Oh, come on.
It's just an image of the habit.
Well, anyway, I've lost a lot of weight.
Can you imagine a skid loader and like Jeff's laying underneath it?
Well, you would suffocate, dude. Come on.
Not if you eat fast enough.
You can't. You can't eat fast enough to feed somebody with a skid loader, man. Come on, that's ridiculous. You'd be like,
It'd be like one of those wood chippers.
under with a steak.
It'd be like a wood chipper. You'd have to eat that fast.
And then go out your rear end. So as you're eating it, just... This can never, ever...
It'd be called a skid blower.
A skid blower! You got your skid eater, and you got your skid blower.
Yeah.
Anyway. Happy July 4th.
Yeah.
Hawkeye Marine hooks that hawk. A skid loader. You can't feed somebody with a skid loader.
Kind of dangerous.